friends, today we are discussing about the mRNA vaccine and application of the mRNA vaccine. So what are the mRNA vaccine? So mRNA vaccines are a new type of vaccine that utilize the messenger RNA to instruct human cells in the body to produce specific protein associated with pathogen such as virus. This protein is harmless on its own, but it stimulates the immune system to recognize and respond to the actual pathogen if body encounters it in the future. Unlikely inactivated vaccine or live attenuated vaccine, these vaccines are not use harmful virus and bacteria parts to produce the vaccines. So what are the examples of the mRNA vaccine? Currently, several research studies are still ongoing related to the mRNA vaccine. However, the first mRNA vaccines emerged during the COVID-19 pandemic era. They are listed below. The first one is Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. The Pfizer and BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine was the first mRNA vaccine approved for the emergency use in people target the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. So the second vaccine is Moderna vaccine called Spikevax, also target the spike protein and use similar mRNA technology. Both vaccines represent an innovative approach to combating the COVID-19 pandemic. Nowadays, therapeutic vaccines are used for treat the communicable disease like cancer, Parkinson's disease, high blood pressure, and autoimmune disorders. Unlike regular vaccine, which is prevent the infection, these vaccines help the immune system to recognize and fight chronic diseases by targeting the harmful substances in the body. Unlike traditional vaccines, which aim to prevent the infection, therapeutic vaccines are designed to treat the chronic condition by modulating the immune system. They assist the immune system in recognizing and combating the harm. So in this slide, we are going to talk about how cancer mRNA vaccines perform in the human body. So what are the cancer vaccines? These vaccines are targeting tumor-associated antigen and capable to induce the immune system using these tumor antigens. There are two types of cancer vaccines are available. The first one is preventive approaches. These are given to healthy people to prevent certain cancers caused by virus such as HPV and hepatitis B. They work by training the immune system to recognize viruses that can lead to the cancer. The second one is treatment approach. These are used to treat the existing cancers by helping the immune system to target and destroy cancer cells already present in the body. Examples include vaccine for prostate, bladder, and melanoma cancers. In this slide onwards, we are talking about how mRNA vaccines are working in the cells. Initially, vaccine is injected to the body. The mRNA vaccine is injected in the muscles, usually in the upper arm. The vaccine contains mRNA molecules encapsulated in the lipid nanoparticles which protect the mRNA and help it enter the cells. The second step is cellular uptake. The lipid nanoparticle fuse with the cell membrane of nearby muscles or immune cells like dendritic cells. The mRNA is released into the cytoplasm of the host cells. The step 3 is translation of the mRNA. The cell's ribosome read the mRNA instructions and produce the viral protein. For an example, the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. This protein is not harmful on its own but mimics the piece of the virus. The fourth step is antigen presentation. The newly made spike protein is displayed on the surface of the cell using MHC molecule. Some of the protein may be also released and taken by other immune cells. The final step is immune system activation. Immune cells like T cells and B cells recognize this foreign protein. This triggers the help T cells to coordinate the broad immune response. This activation is trigger the B cell to produce the antibody specific to the spike protein. Finally, cytotoxic T cell to kill the infected cell showing the protein. So as a conclusion, in the memory B cells and T cells are created. If the real virus enters the body later, the immune system responds faster and stronger, prevent the serious illness. So mRNA vaccines cannot deliver inland. It should have proper delivery system. Researchers are developing liposomal delivery system for mRNA vaccine that can specifically target the spleen or T cells. This should allow the vaccines to bypass the need of the antigen present in cells. There are advantages related to the liposomal delivery. The formulation has several important roles. It protects fragile vaccine components to keep them effective and help these components enter the target cell, leading to the stronger immune response. It can also adjust to activate specific immune pathways, making it flexible for different immunological needs. Additionally, it can trigger both humoral and cellular immunity, offering a well-rounded approach to vaccination. So mRNA vaccines have several important advantages that make them valuable in modern medicine. One major benefit is how quickly they can be developed. Once we know a virus genetic sequence, we can design and produce the vaccine is very fast. This quick development comes with the added safety since these vaccines do not use live or weakened virus, which lowers the risk of causing the disease. Additionally, mRNA vaccine triggers a strong immune response by activating both antibody and T cells, giving a well-rounded defense against infection. This flexibility is another key strength, allowing the fast update to fight a new virus variants or even different pathogens. Moreover, mRNA technology has the potential for the personalized treatment such as in the cancer therapy. Finally, these vaccines can be produced efficiently in the cell-free systems, which help to increase the production capacity and may reduce cost. In this slide, you can find the summary of the comparison between the traditional and mRNA vaccines. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and we're looking forward to share more with you. Thank you.